Welcome to this fantastic opportunity in Portland's sought-after Irvington neighborhood. This side-by-side duplex in the heart of Irvington is an excellent turnkey investment. It's situated on a large lot and is located near restaurants and shopping with easy access to Lloyd Center in downtown. Plus, it's close to sought-after schools, including Irvington Elementary and Grant High School. Heading inside, you'll discover a charming interior with period details like coved ceilings, gorgeous hardwood floors, and wood-burning fireplaces. It opens to the dining area and the updated kitchen, offering plenty of natural light and storage space. On the upper level, each side of the duplex has 2 bedrooms and a full bath. Plus, you'll find this additional space, perfect for an office or den. Both sides have a basement, ready for any number of uses. On the other side of the duplex, you'll find a similar layout. With hardwoods, numerous windows, coved ceilings, and a wood-burning fireplace, it offers historic charm and modern conveniences. Just like the other side, on the upper level, you'll find 2 bedrooms and a full bath. This home also includes a garage, newer furnaces, and has a large, flat, fenced yard with plenty of space to garden. If you're looking for a turnkey investment, the duplex has a solid rental history with its current long-term tenants. A fabulous opportunity in a highly sought-after neighborhood. It's all here on Northeast 14th Avenue in Irvington. This is just a preview. There's so much more for you to see. For more information or to schedule your personal tour, please contact Devin Arthurs with Premier Property Group at 971-300-8337.